This is the tool we're gonna need to break the window or cut off your seatbelt in case of emergency. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this at. So this is how you use them. Put it somewhere, accessible, like in your dash, whatever. So this is how you use it. I put the arrow on it. You see that hook? All you gotta do is just hook it on your seatbelt and then cut through. Push it down. Okay? Look at this. Push it down. There, it will cut through your seatbelt, just like that. All right, now, so you can't get out of your car. So your car flip over, smash the window. You're gonna smash it on 4 corners. Okay? Either A, B, C, or D. Okay? See the C, the corner part? Don't smash it right in the middle. It's not gonna work. You're gonna have a hard time. It might work, but it'll be easy to smash it on those 4 corners. And then open it from outside. Okay, just push it using your tool, all the shattered glass, and then open it from outside and get out. Okay, I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can buy this at. Thank you.